The first thing you want to do is rinse out your garden hose before hooking it up to the machine. Once that's done, you can connect your garden hose here and make sure it's tight. The reason for rinsing it out is so that there's no debris left that could possibly clog the tips. And once that one is connected and tight, you'll want to connect your pressure hose. Just pull back that metal collar and stick the hose in and let it click back out to ensure that it's tight. Before starting the unit, turn on the water. Then hold the trigger to release the pressure so you can pull the throttle cable. If you don't, the throttle cable will hold a lot of resistance due to the pressure buildup and be difficult to start. When you release the trigger, you have up to 20 seconds before too much pressure starts to build up, which could cause damage, costing you money. Another thing before you turn on the engine is to release any air out of the lines by pulling the trigger. So we are now ready to start the unit. Let's turn the red switch to the on position. The gray lever is the choke to the left, the black lever is the gas to the right, and the throttle just a little bit on. Once the unit is started, you can turn the choke to the off position. Once you've turned the choke off, you can turn the throttle all the way up. If the unit doesn't start the first 2 tries, turn the choke to the off position to avoid flooding the engine and try again. And lastly, how to turn off the unit. Push the throttle all the way over to the lowest position and then flip the red switch to the off position. Once the engine is off, turn off the water supply and release the pressure from the hose by holding the trigger until little to no water comes out. You can now disconnect the hoses from the unit. To learn how to operate the unit, see our video on how to operate the pressure washer.